What is going on, everybody? Today this is me doing a review of my 2004 Kona Stab downhill bike. Let's start out with what I'm running on the front and the whole bike. Doing a little bike check thing here. To start out, front tire. I'm running Maxxis Minion front and back. Here I got the Maxxis Minion DHF on the front. 26 by 2.7. Really great tire, great tread. Great for downhill riding. Front forks, I got 2004 Marzocchi Junior T's. They have 170 millimeters of travel, and overall they're just fantastic forks. Could go for a 200 millimeter travel fork, but for now this is gonna have to do. Up here we got Black Market Bada Boom bars and stem. Pretty nice bars overall. Can't really complain about them. It says Bada Boom right there. I don't really know if you can see it on the camera. Grips, I got Animal Edwin De La Rosa's. They turned really gross brown from dirt and stuff. They used to be white. My front brake, I'm running an Avid Juicy 5 on an 8-inch disc. And my back brake is a Hayes HFX with a broken lever. That's why there's a rubber band holding it together. The frame is obviously a Kona Stab 2004. It's 15-inch frame. It's really small, but I prefer a smaller frame. We got an IRD seat post with a Vitesse Racing seat on it. I replaced the stock seat with this one because the stock seat was ripped. Down here, drivetrain, I got the MRP chain guide and bash guard. We got Kona chromoly tubular cranks and the Kona jack shit pedals. In the back here we have Shimano Dior XT rear derailleur. Very snappy, great derailleur overall. Again, the back tire, Maxxis Minion DHR, 26 by 2.5. Really nice tread on that as well. Rear shock, I have a Fox Vanilla RC with Pro Pedal, upgraded to a different spring. I really love it. Fantastic bike. Overall, great bike. Great is my first downhill bike. Can't complain about it at all. Any questions, just leave a comment in the description. Like and subscribe. Thanks.